In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted Davinci Resolve project. Whether it's due to an accidental deletion or an unexpected glitch, losing your project files can be incredibly frustrating. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through a straightforward process to help you restore your hard work. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up the Davinci Resolve application. Make sure you're working with the most recent version, as updates often improve recovery functionalities. Once you've launched Davinci Resolve, you'll find yourself on the landing page where all your current projects are displayed. Here, you can see the list of your ongoing sequences or start a new project if needed. With the application open, select any existing project. This can be any project, as we are just temporarily entering it to access specific functions. Now, navigate to the edit page. The edit page is where most of the cutting, trimming and sequencing magic happens, but today we're using it as a gateway to our next step. Next, locate the small house icon on the interface, often found on the upper left corner of the screen. This icon allows you to return to the project manager, where you can manage various projects and access specific features, including recovery options. Click on this house icon, and it will navigate you straight back to the project manager interface. Once you're in the project manager, your next move is to right-click in the blank area of the project manager or on any project thumbnail. This action will open a contextual menu offering you more options. Among these, find and click on Other Project Backups. This feature is what enables you to access previous versions of your projects. It's like a time machine, allowing you to jump back to earlier stages of your work, often critical for recovery. The Other Project Backups option will list available backups of your projects. Depending on how frequently you've saved or set up your backup preferences, you might see several versions of your project here. Look through the list and find the version closest to when you lost your project. Once you've identified the correct backup, select it and begin the restoration process. And that's it. You should now have your deleted project back, ready to continue editing and refining. Remember, it's always a good practice to ensure you have project backups enabled and to save your work regularly to avoid any future mishaps. I hope this guide has been helpful and eased some of your concerns about project recovery in Davinci Resolve. If you have further questions or need additional help, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy editing!